In this video series, we will see number of exercises in JavaScript. In this video, we will see native JavaScript code to display current day and time like this. Today is the day and on which time this page is been visited. So let's start writing some JavaScript code. Let's create today's object. And for that, we need to create today is equal to new of date. What it is returning, let's console that, console.log, and it will return the date object. Let's open console, and as you can see, it is returning Wednesday 29 December 2021, but we need output in this format. So for that, we need to write down some code. Let's say we have a day is equal to today dot get day. Get day is a function and it will return an integer which day it is. It will return 3. It means Wednesday. So we need in a human readable form. So we need to create one array which contains all the weekdays, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So let's say we are looking for today's day, then it will today is space colon space plus day list of day, right, and then plus dot. So today is Wednesday. Let's see if it is correct. Yeah, today is Wednesday. So this is in console. We need to show it here. So for that, we need to create one more div with same class. You can give whatever you want. Class is equal to day, and we will append value here. So document dot query selector, the class name is day dot inner HTML is equal to this text which we are looking for, and let's see. Yes, perfect. It's appended here. Today is Wednesday. So first part of this video is done. The next is we want time, right? So for that we need some more variables and functions. Let's take hour. Hour is equal to today dot get hours is a function where minute is equal to today dot get minutes. This is also a function, and second is equal to today dot get seconds. Okay, so this is what we required. We can take one more variable called prepend, and it will check if hour is greater than equal to 12. It means it will be PM, right? Else it will be AM. So this is a prepend variable, and we can update hour accordingly. Hour is equal to hour greater than equal to 12. Then the hours value is equal to hour minus 12, else as it is hour. So we have updated hour here. So we need to add some if conditions to check if it is a daytime or a noon time or it is midnight. So for that, let's check if our value is equal to 0 and second value is also no. For before that, we need to check if prepend value is equal to am or pm. Let's check for pm first, and if it is pm, then we need to also add one more condition to check minute. Minute is equal to 0 and second as well. Second is also is equal to 0 and our value is equal to 12 and prepend value is equal to noon. It's a noon time, right? Else our is 12, that is as it is, and prepend value is equal to pm, right? So this is one condition, right? Same as this, we need to add one more condition. If our is equal to 0 and prepend value is equal to m, that will check if it is m, then if same as above, minute is equal to 0 and second is also 0, then our value is equal to 12 and prepend value is equal to midnight. I am adding one space here to look that pretty in the HTML. So this is that, and in else our value is same as 12 and prepend value is equal to am, right? So using these conditions we can console that you can use this current time is here. You need to check our is let's keep it as it is. Prepend value to check if it is am or pm, plus let's add space and colon, that looks fine, and minute, right, plus colon plus second. Okay, let's see how it looks. Open the console. Yeah, so current time is 9 p.m. and 0 minute 23 second. That is correct. This is my local time, IST time, Indian Standard Time. Let me reload again. 9 p.m. 0 minute 40 seconds. Let me reload again. 46 seconds, 49 seconds, 52, 55, 7, and 9 p.m. 1 minute. Right. So this looks fine, and we can add this to HTML document dot query selector. We need to add one more div here, div class time, for example, and here we can select dot time dot inner HTML is equal to string with the dynamic value. Let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks in HTML. Looks pretty, isn't it? So this is the code for JavaScript, the JavaScript native code to determine the current day and time with hour, minute and seconds if it is AM or PM. I know this looks pretty messy, conditions are pretty messy, but if you want output like this is obvious. You need to write down like this as well. Apart from this, there are few libraries for using libraries. You can also write down the time and day functions like that. For that, there is one popular library, Moment.js, and in that library, you can use. Let me show you with an example. So here you can add script src is equal to this and script close. And in JavaScript, let me show you with an example. Using this code, let's keep as it is. Result.log. You can check if it is working. Yeah, as you can see December 29, 2021, and this is local time 9 p.m. 3 minutes 22 seconds. Let's reload, and as you can see, this is working fine. So there are few functions in moment.js that you always can use to format the date according to your need. The relative time is also there, calendar time is also there, multiple local support and multiple languages are there. So this is one of the very useful libraries that we are using nowadays. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And this was the first exercise in JavaScript. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye.